Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're gonna talk about XRP. And I gotta start with this from Smoke, how RLUSD can generate passive income for XRP holders. The partnership between XRP Ledger and Open Eden introduces a groundbreaking opportunity for XRP holders seeking passive income. Open Eden's tokenized T-bills bring low-risk, yield-generating assets to the XRP ecosystem. By leveraging stablecoins like Ripple's RLUSD, investors can seamlessly participate in this offering. Here's how. 1. Acquire stablecoins. Convert XRP into RLUSD or another supported stablecoin on the XRP ledger. 2. Mint T-bill tokens. Use Open Eden's platform to deposit RLUSD and mint T-bill tokens backed by U.S. Treasury bills. Earn passive income. Earn regular yield from the interest on T-bills paid in Ripple RLUSD for a reliable income stream. Flexible options. Reinvest yield, redeem tokens for stablecoins, or trade them for more XRP on the XRP ledger. This integration offers XRP holders an easy way to earn passive income while staying within the XRP ecosystem. I've seen a lot of other people talking about this as well. They said if we ever go back into the bear market, this could possibly be an option on how to earn passive income in a bear market. But a lot of people are reluctant to take their XRP to RLUSD, then invest in T-bills. We'll talk more about this as time goes on. There's going to be other options as well as we get institutional adoption happening for XRP. Breaking, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse shares insights into the new eToro interview. For years, Ripple has utilized US dollar stablecoins, and at one point, we were responsible for minting 20% of all USD. So Ripple is no stranger to minting stablecoins. They were minting 20% of USDC. Think about that. Take a listen.
Absolutely will be using our own products. A little bit of history on this. Ripple has for years used stablecoins, US dollar stablecoins in certain corridors, depending upon which currency pairs we're dealing with, customer we're enabling, and frankly, sometimes it has been more efficient. And so we've used Tether in certain circumstances. We've used USDC. In fact, at one point, we were responsible for minting 20% of all USDC. And we kind of realized that there's an opportunity in the market as it continues to grow to, particularly for our customer set around, institutions. We felt like it was an opportunity for us to jump in. Look, I think as you look at the road ahead around stablecoins, I think the market's going to continue to grow a lot. I think when we decided to launch a stablecoin, it was probably about $120 billion market. Today, I think it's just shy of $200 billion. Some smart analysts forecast it's going to be a couple trillion in 5 more years. So I think the market is going to continue to grow for sure. Right now, the US dollar is by far the most important stable coin, but I think you will see some activity in euro, maybe in yen. We shall see how far down that goes. But look, our goal is to make sure that the XRP ledger is the most efficient, the most trusted, the most utility, and having a stablecoin on the XRPL that is robust, efficient, reputable. Ripple has worked with institutions for years now, and I think we have a very trusted brand. And look, we also have a absolutely.
So here's what I'm thinking. First, they see how much momentum RLUSD gets. Then they go over to Europe and they launch a stable coin there. Then they go to the UK, launch another stable coin. And eventually, we will see all of that momentum on the XRP ledger as these stablecoins get more and more adoption and more usage. And going from RLUSD to RLEUR over the XRP ledger. That's going to be the future for Ripple. It's going to be the future for everything because the world is pushing into the digital age. And everything that travels on the XRP ledger will continue to add value to XRP. So even as the stablecoin market grows year over year, you as an XRP holder, you're going to watch your portfolio grow year over year. Now that you're aware the market is shifting to crypto, let's take a look at the bullish indicators for 2025. So you see institutional engagement, expansion of ETFs, TradeFi enters crypto, U.S. crypto-friendly administration, surge in real-world assets, AI and crypto meet, the fourth and fifth industrial revolutions coming together, increasing investor confidence. But you see what they're looking at as bear cases. Retail investors suffer from pump and dump schemes like Hawk, Daddy, and King, resulting in declining interest, confidence, and risk aversion. That's why once regulations come, memes are going to disappear. Security vulnerabilities, cybercrime, and quantum computing developments may undermine trust and affect market dynamics in the crypto landscape. Quantum computing can also be seen as a black swan. The XRP ledger is going to become quantum proof. David Schwartz has talked about that in the past. Other cryptocurrencies might have a problem with quantum computing. Bitcoin rising correlation with the S&P 500 may mean it overall markets suffer a black swan event. Crypto would also be impacted. I think the biggest problem for Bitcoin coming right now is the fall of Tether. That's going to be the next major black swan event, in my opinion. Ongoing view among market participants that crypto is a speculative asset class with limited practical use may contribute to market volatility. But institutional adoption will change that outlook. Once the institutions come in this space, they will solidify this space. Banks will start to get involved with crypto, and this whole industry will expand over a short period of time. That will lead to mass adoption. XRP is listed on 700 exchanges worldwide. We need more top-tier exchanges like eToro out there. Brad Garlinghouse, take a listen.
Measure of that is how much liquidity is there, because the more liquidity there is on more exchanges, the more useful the overall XRP ecosystem is for every individual participant. So certainly eToro, and again, I've known Yoni for a bunch of years, and their support of and advocacy around XRP has been important for sure. We're fortunate. I think XRP is listed around 600 or 700 exchanges around the world now. And we work within our products, as your kind of questions about, we work with some exchanges around the world to actually enable the enterprise onboarding, offboarding, and kind of what some people call the last mile, the ability to intersect with that traditional financial infrastructure remains important, and certainly the eToros of the world and driving liquidity and frankly just helping educate, like events like this, helping educate people who are interested in the ecosystem about what's going on, I think is very valuable.
That's one good thing that the exchanges do. They have educational products as well. They educate people on what they should be buying most of the time. They talk about one cryptocurrency and they show you the use cases of that cryptocurrency. But when Brad said top tier exchanges like eToro, I think Brad also knows there's going to be a bottleneck at the exchanges once regulations get here. Any exchange that isn't doing anti-money laundering and know your customer, those exchanges are most likely going to be gone as well. We're going to see that bottleneck happen. Regulatory clarity and clear rules of the road will allow banks to finally enter the crypto arena, and Trump may completely abolish taxes on many small dollar crypto asset transactions. If you eliminate the taxes on small dollar crypto asset transactions, that is absolutely game changing, because that will lead to more mass adoption of crypto. People could actually buy crypto and then buy other things with crypto and have it not be a taxable event. That would change everything. And if they do away with the capital gains taxes on American-made cryptocurrencies, that will also push a lot of these American crypto companies even so far ahead, because all of a sudden people will be like, well, I'm just going to buy American-made cryptocurrencies from here on out if they live in the United States. I expect other countries may also go in this direction after they see the momentum that this can have. I cannot wait to see how this all plays out in 2025. The DTCC, how Wall Street is embracing digital assets. The need for money's digital evolution cannot be understated. Payments power capital markets. And I think we're going to see a lot of people shift from the stock market over into crypto. And we're going to see a merge of the stock market and the crypto space at the same time. That's what I'm expecting to happen next. But there's going to be so many different payments out there. You know, everybody's so focused on cross-border payments, bank-to-bank payments, person-to-person payments, but they're not looking at the much bigger picture. There's going to be payments for services. There's going to be real-time payments happening in the not-so-distant future. And it's going to happen at a very high scale. And as you're able to make those real-time payments, all of a sudden people will start to shift their money into wherever the payment sector is. They'll start to shift their money towards AI, towards GameFi, whatever they're interested in. And that's why I always told you, you know, it's better to invest in cryptocurrencies that are well-rounded, like XRP and a few others, because this way you're investing in everything all at once. But we're also going to see a shift on Wall Street as well. Bifrost wallet. You can now send, receive, buy, and hold RLUSD with Bifrost wallet. We're going to see other wallets integrate RLUSD as well. This is just the beginning. This is going to expand throughout the entire space. MetaMask has expanded its US pilot program for a crypto payment card, allowing users to pay directly from their wallet. That needs to happen as well, because when people could buy things with their crypto wallet, that changes the way they look at crypto. Hey, I hold all this crypto, and right now my portfolio is worth X amount of dollars. Maybe I could go and buy a few things using my crypto. Once people can do that, they start to see the value in crypto. And once again, that leads to mass adoption. And remember that FUD video that was going on around XRP? Well, David Schwartz decided to answer a few questions from that hit piece on XRP. And you know Bitcoin maxis put that video together. They're deathly afraid of what XRP is capable of. So David Schwartz said, I think its first point is completely wrong. It's true that you can use XRP to make payments without holding it, which is good because it means you aren't exposed to its volatility if you don't want to be. It doesn't follow that people won't hold XRP. Here's how I look at it. Picture a massive liquidity pool of XRP in between a handful of countries. None of those countries actually have to hold that XRP. The XRP sits in the middle, but they could still utilize that XRP for cross-border payments. Same thing can happen in between a handful of companies, between a customer and a distributor. It could be used in so many ways without certain people having to ever hold any actual XRP. For one thing, the only reason that flow works is because you can buy and sell XRP whenever you want. And that is possible because people are holding XRP to match buyers and sellers. In other words, While you don't have to hold XRP, that's only because someone else is. Somebody else will be the holder of that massive liquidity pool. If people are consistently trying to buy XRP for fiat, if you hold XRP, you can sell it to whoever needs it the most. And if you don't know which currency you will need next for your payment, it can make sense to hold XRP rather than to hold fiat that you have to exchange for XRP. That way you only need one exchange rather than two. A lot of companies will decide to hold that XRP instead of holding different currencies, fiat currencies. Same thing in between countries. No country wants to hold another country's fiat. It's better for those countries to transact in XRP. They could send one currency, US dollar, into XRP and it comes out on the other end as the euro. I'm also very skeptical of people who think they understand what factor causes cryptocurrencies to change prices and therefore can make those kinds of predictions or draw those kinds of conclusions. I posted the XRP XLM chart many times, and I think it casts doubt on the claim that XRP ledger ecosystem changes or at least have been a primary driver of the XRP price. Some things of value actually move the price of XRP as projects build out on the XRP ledger. When it comes to XRP and XLM, they move at the same time. If XRP goes up, usually XLM goes with it. It's the same reason I always told you to hold both of these cryptocurrencies, because it's like double dipping on your investment. But there's always going to be FUD around XRP. XRP has so many haters out there, but a lot of those haters, they fear this cryptocurrency. If I was a Bitcoin holder and I was looking at what's going on around XRP, how Ripple has nonstop growth, I'd be scared shitless that XRP is eventually going to flip Bitcoin. But you know what? It's eventually going to happen. It's inevitable. But to actually try to shake someone out of their investment when you know that their investment is going to make them a lot of money, that's where I think the line should be drawn. The reason I point out the problems with Bitcoin is because I don't want retail to end up losing their money in Bitcoin. I know people work hard for their money. I don't want to see anyone take any losses in crypto at all. Same reason I know there's retail investors in Bitcoin right now, and they're not going to sell because they're sold the narrative that it's always going to continue to go up until it doesn't. You know, history repeats itself until it doesn't. People are already looking at 2028 and the Bitcoin cycle. Nobody even knows if that cycle is going to happen. Utility can end the 4-year cycle. Once you see a massive utility run happen, that will change your whole outlook on the crypto space forever. And that utility run is absolutely coming. We are on the verge of utility driving the price of XRP. You want to be here when that happens. And until it does happen, stay patient, stay positive, and we will get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.